Hi, and welcome back to Senior Tech Desk. Today we're diving into an important topic: how to update your iPhone. Regular updates aren't just about getting new features, they're critical for keeping your device secure. There are a lot of security issues happening right now, so it's even more important to stay up to date. Let's walk through everything you need to know to update your phone. First, let's talk about why updating your phone is so important. Number one is security. Updates fix vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. Think of it as locking your front door to keep intruders out. Second, it's for performance. Updates often include bug fixes that make your phone run more smoothly and reliably. And three, updates provide new features. Apple sometimes introduces exciting new tools and apps with the updates. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures it works as intended and stays protected. Before updating, it's good to check your current iOS version. Here's how. We're going to start with Settings. Tap on the Settings app. Scroll to General. Tap on that. And then we're going to select About. This tells you what iOS version you're on. This phone is on 18.1.1. So here's where you do the update. Tap on Settings, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. I can see that there's an update waiting to be installed, 18.2. Let's read about what this update is for. It introduces new features powered by Apple Intelligence, the personal intelligence system that unlocks powerful new ways to communicate, work, and express yourself, all while protecting your data with an extraordinary step forward for privacy in AI. New features include Image Playground, which lets you create delightful, fun images, Genmoji to create original emoji to share with family and friends, ChatGPT support integrated right into Siri, and writing tools, and more. This release also includes visual intelligence with camera control, enhancements to Mail, Photos, Safari, and other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your phone. I'm going to go ahead and tap Update Now, and I'll come back when it's done. It will take a little time to update. Make sure your phone is plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Once the update starts, your phone will download the software and then restart to install the update. It's a good idea to have automatic updates turned on so you don't have to remember to go check and see if there's an update available. Tap Automatic Updates, tap the button for iOS updates, security responses and system files, automatically download. Make sure all three of these buttons are turned green. Next, you'll tap Install Now. If your update doesn't work or gets stuck in the middle, it might be because you don't have enough storage available. In that case, you'd want to delete unused apps, delete old photos, delete videos. All of those things will free up space. Just make sure you're backing up to the cloud. Then all your photos and videos will be available in your cloud storage. If you're not sure, please check out my video on iCloud storage. If your update gets stuck, you can restart your phone and try again. Once the update is done, you'll get a message that your phone has been updated to the most current operating system. It's possible that you would have to update it several times if your phone hasn't been updated. Just walk through the same steps until your phone is current. Now let's go back to Settings and look at our update. Tap on Settings and then General. Now we're going to look at Software Update. We're updated to 18.2. I made sure Automatic Updates is turned on and all the green toggles are checked. Updating your phone is a simple but vital step to stay secure and get the most out of your device. Think of it as a routine checkup for your phone. Quick and easy, but it makes a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Senior Tech Desk. Share this video with someone who might need a little tech help. See you next time.